Health benefits of eating cucumber. Cucumber is a nutritious fruit with a high water content. Very few foods are as cool as cucumber. The benefit of cucumber included promoting weight loss, maintaining and keeping the body hydrated, and improving intestinal function. Cucumber is a nutritious vegetable that is low in calorie but high in water, mineral, and antioxidant content. Cucumber also reduce fats in the body and lower blood pressure. Eating cucumber is recommended for the treatment of atherosclerosis, diabetes, and hypertension. Other compared benefits of cucumber is using the directly on the skin to refresh and tone the skin. The main health benefits of eating cucumber are promoting weight loss. Cucumber are low in calories and rich in water and fiber. This can help to keep you full between meals for longer, which is why they are added to weight loss diet. Preventing dehydration. Cucumber contain 95% water, and because it is rich in electrolyte, cucumber can help to prevent dehydration from physical activity. This vegetable should be consumed in its natural form. Preventing cancer. Cucumber contain great quantities of antioxidant of nutrients like cucurbitacin, which contain anti-cancerous properties which interfere the growth of cancerous and precancerous cell. Reducing blood pressure. Cucumber contain great amount of water, magnesium, and potassium. This can help to reduce blood pressure as these components promote vasodilation and help to flush out excess sodium through the urine. Maintaining heart health. The fiber and antioxidant present in cucumber can help to improve heart health. They promote fat burning, particularly triglyceride and LDL cholesterol. Regular consumption of cucumber can help to prevent diseases like atherosclerosis, heart attack, and strokes. Managing diabetes. Cucumber contain fiber and have a low glycemic index, which can help to slow down the speed at which blood sugar raises in the blood. It contains curcumin, which stimulates and release of insulin to regulate the blood sugar level and managing diabetes. Reducing skin inflammation. Cucumber that are applied directly to the skin have a refreshing effect that help to keep the skin revitalization. It can also soothe the skin and reduce swelling and irritation to relieve sunburn. Improving digestion. Cucumber act like as an anti-inflammatory in the stomach and help to improve digestion. It can reduce acidity and the formation of gas along the digestive tract. Improving bones health. Cucumber contain great amount of vitamin K. Cucumber help to maintain healthy bones. Together with calcium, vitamin K is important for adequate bone development and maintenance, which is important for the prevention of diseases like osteoporosis. Helping to detox the body. It contains potassium, water, and antioxidant. Cucumber can help to detox the body and reduce fluid retention. It facilitates the elimination of sodium and toxin through the urine.